So I play the numbers game to find a way to say that life has just begun. Had a talk with my old man, said help me understand. He said turn 68, we'll renegotiate. Don't stop this train, don't for a minute change the place you're in. Don't think I couldn't ever understand. I tried my hand, John, honestly, will never stop.